Luxury and seclusion are yours at 1060 Mullica Hill Road. An incredible custom ranch on 1 acre surrounded with 27 acres of preserved farmland. A custom paved driveway with wooden archway and stone light posts greet you as you come onto the property. The yard is gorgeously landscaped with lush green lawn, paved flower beds, and mature foliage all around. This stunning custom-built ranch features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and over 4,000 square feet of living space with add-ons galore. With original hardwood floors throughout, the expansive living room features a stone-encased, double-facing wood-burning fireplace. You'll love hosting dinner parties and holiday gatherings in the formal dining room. The spectacular eat-in kitchen would excite any culinary enthusiast with granite countertops, custom tile backsplash, built-in wine storage, and a stainless steel appliance package. The oversized main floor master suite is amazing. On colder days, warm up by the wood-burning fireplace. Sliding glass doors lead onto the private rear-facing balcony area for a peaceful escape. Rejuvenate yourself with at-home spa days in the luxurious ensuite master bath. Downstairs is the gorgeous walkout lower level with cozy family room featuring 2 wood-burning fireplaces, an adjacent wet bar and dining area, a second kitchen, and 2 additional bedrooms. The full bath features a tiled stall shower and an amazing CEDAR Sauna Room. A solarium off the lower level is perfect for growing your favorite plants or enjoying the incoming rays. The backyard oasis of your dreams awaits you with entertaining possibilities limited only by your imagination. Past the yard are boundless acres of preserved farmland, a 5-stable barn and fenced-in pasture, perfect for a horse farm operation or possible future vineyard. Conveniently located just minutes to downtown Mullica Hill, Route 322, Route 55, Rowan University, and the new Inspira Health Center, 1060 Mullica Hill Road. Contact Nancy Kowalik Real Estate Group today for more details and a private tour.